Plant FAQs. Begonia Cleopatrae. Begonia Cleopatrae, a jewel-toned gem for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Begonia Cleopatrae. This stunning begonia species boasts unique foliage and a manageable size, making it a coveted addition to any houseplant collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will unveil the secrets to caring for your Begonia Cleopatrae and answer some of the most common questions about this captivating gem. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Cleopatrae? The Begonia Cleopatrae hails from the beautiful island of Palawan in the Philippines. Named after Cleopatra's Needle, a mountain peak on the island, this begonia is a compact charmer. It typically reaches a height of around 15 centimeters, making it ideal for windowsills or terrariums. What makes the Begonia Cleopatrae special? The true magic of the Begonia Cleopatrae lies in its captivating foliage. Unlike its vibrantly flowering cousins, this begonia boasts mesmerizing leaves. Imagine a palette of rich, chocolate brown adorned with a striking light green stripe running along the central vein. The effect is like a watercolor masterpiece, each leaf a unique creation. How does the Begonia Cleopatrae compare to other begonias? The world of begonias is vast and diverse. Here's a quick comparison to highlight the Begonia Cleopatrae's unique qualities. Flower power. Unlike many flowering begonias, the Begonia Cleopatrae prioritizes foliage. Its flowers are small and delicate, usually a soft pink, and often take a back seat to the stunning leaves. Size matters. Compared to larger, showier begonias, the Begonia Cleopatrae is a petite delight. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller spaces or terrariums where other begonias might overwhelm the environment. Light show. While some begonias demand bright, indirect light, the Begonia Cleopatrae thrives in medium light conditions. This makes it a more forgiving choice for those with less than ideal light situations. How do I care for my Begonia Cleopatrae? Bringing out the best in your Begonia Cleopatrae is all about mimicking its natural habitat. Here are some key things to remember. Light it up. Provide your Begonia Cleopatrae with medium, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water wisely. This begonia prefers evenly moist soil but dislikes soggy conditions. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity haven. Aim for moderate humidity levels around your Begonia Cleopatrae. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid environment. Temperature talk. The Begonia Cleopatrae thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature changes or cold drafts. Feeding frenzy. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Begonia Cleopatrae enters a dormant phase in winter, so fertilizer application can be stopped. How do I propagate my Begonia Cleopatrae? Sharing the love of your Begonia Cleopatrae is easy. This begonia readily propagates from leaf cuttings. Here's a simple guide. Select a healthy, mature leaf. Cut the leaf petiole, stem, at an angle just below the leaf. You can plant the entire leaf with the petiole intact or cut the leaf into sections, ensuring each section has a piece of the vein. Place the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix and maintain high humidity. With patience, new growth will emerge from the base of the petiole or leaf section. Is the Begonia Cleopatrae easy to care for? The Begonia Cleopatrae is generally considered a beginner-friendly plant. Its moderate light requirements, tolerance for some neglect, and ease of propagation make it a forgiving choice for new plant enthusiasts. Where can I buy a Begonia Cleopatrae? Finding a Begonia Cleopatrae might require a bit of searching compared to more common begonias. Online retailers specializing in rare plants or local greenhouses might be your best bet. Final thoughts. The Begonia Cleopatrae is a captivating jewel for your plant collection. Its unique foliage, manageable size, and relative ease of care make it a wonderful choice for those seeking a touch of botanical beauty. With a little love and attention, your Begonia Cleopatrae will thrive and reward you with its mesmerizing presence for years to come.